Hi team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. You guys know I always like to show you guys what I picked up so you guys know what is in my collection. So I picked up some new makeup from Bougie Shop from the Makeup Revolution. You guys know I live in Holland and I don't have credit card. I've been trying to work on it, but it seems like I have other things that I want to work on before ever the credit card. When I decided to go and get credit card, and then we have anti-corona visit us, so now everywhere is closed. So that's why. But it would be very nice to just get the products immediately that they launch out. But yeah, this is what I'm dealing with. So let's just deal with it. Hopefully in the future, I'll lay my hands on things when they come immediately instead of waiting for how many months for it to come to Holland. But I appreciate, so I got stuff from the Bougie Shop and I want to share with you guys. So I just picked some few stuff out that I want to share. This is the Makeup Revolution loose transition setting powder, and I've seen this now for a while. I have the Makeup Revolution app on my phone, so I'm always in there trying to watch if they have new stuff, and they've had this now for a while now, and I've seen a lot of great reviews on YouTube, and I decided to come and try it out. I don't have like a white transition powder. This is the first one, so I can't wait to try this and see how this looks. So this is what I pick up, and then because my Elegant brow kit, which is my favorite, is almost finished, and then I thought let me pick this one from the Makeup Revolution. It's also a brow kit and it's also dark brown, so this is the darker shade, and I also decided to pick this up, which I really do like. And what else do I pick up? I pick up the Makeup Revolution bronzing contour powder. This is the darker shade. I decided to pick this one up as well and give it a try. I really love it. I got this stuff as a gift, but you guys know I have a sensitive skin, so I normally never really use this stuff. I just throw them away. And what else do I pick up? I got this face mask. When you buy something at the Bougie Shop, they always give you something free, and I got this face mask, which I am going to use later. If I'm going to see if I don't have like a reaction on it. So then I also pick up the Makeup Revolution Pro CC cream. This is in F16. This is like, I don't know, this is not the darker shade, but they didn't have like F15, so I thought F15 they didn't have it, so I thought let's pick up the F16 and try it out. So these are the products that I picked up. Let's see if we can get everything in the same line. I don't think it's possible. This one has to go behind. Push. So this is everything I picked up. I just picked like 4 products. This is everything I picked up. It's not much, but I just want to come and show you guys, and I'll definitely come and do like a tutorial individually on the product because I want to see how this contour powder look like. You guys know I pick up the Morphe contour powder, which I'm really loving, so I thought why not pick up some drugstore contour powder. And Makeup Revolution always have like amazing products. I really love their products. Really cool. So this is everything I picked up. The brow kit, I can't wait to try this loose transition powder. The white one, this is white, I've never really tried it, and definitely I'm gonna make a video on this CC cream. This product came a little bit late. It's a little bit late right now. So I can't kind of try this out, but definitely tomorrow I'm going to try this CC cream and see how it looks. Guys, I can't wait to try this stuff. I wish that Makeup Revolution had like an ID payment in their website, because if they had an ID payment, like I would have used this product and done with it. But hopefully in the future they will have an ID payment, and it will be very easy for some of us that doesn't have credit cards, some of us that live in Europe. Like most shops, most beauty cosmetic, they are in the States, so most of them they don't have a lot in the Netherlands on websites. But if you go to their website, like either you have to have a credit card or certain payment, they don't have ID payment. And I just wish that they can have ID payments and just make all the internet store has ID payment, and it will be very easy for some of us that live in Holland, because I live in Holland. You have to wait for like weeks. This product has come out now a while ago, and now I'm going to now I can actually lay my hands on it. But I'm definitely happy to have it right now, so I can't wait to try it. So guys, Team Fullest, this is what I picked up. It's not much, but you guys know I always like to come and share with you guys the new stuff that I picked up. Hope you all like this video, because by that way you guys actually know what is in my collection. Like everything that's in my collection, I've shown you guys. Like this is like most of my makeup, not most, but like little stuff. So like everything in here, you guys already know what I have. Like mostly makeup revelation. I have bunch of makeup revelation, setting powder behind, so much makeup revelation, concealer, makeup revelation, because that is like the easy way. That's the easy one. I even have this makeup revelation foundation powder. I've never tried this. Maybe I'm gonna try this as well. I'm gonna try that one as well. I bought it one and I've never really tried. I picked this one for like in the summer, for those days that you don't feel like wearing makeup, you just want something light on your face. But I've never really tried. Definitely I'm gonna try one of these days. Maybe I have to give this a try and just see. This is how sometimes it's crazy. I love makeup revelation product. They're really, really good. So yeah guys, this is everything. See you guys on my next video. This is again Amy, Team Fullest. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page, and I hope to see you guys. Zeg maar dag. Say bye bye. Say bye. Okay guys, doei doei. Vergeet niet te abonneren en hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. Zeg maar doeg. Doei doeg.